Yeah, it made Snake more stronger.
Yeah, it made Snake more scarier because he has a rattle, so like he can it sounds like thunder kind of.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
Yep.
So our Kentwood Public Schools Instructional Model is the model we use when we teach in our classrooms over every subject area. So whether we're doing a math lesson, reading lesson, science lesson, etc., teachers use this model to guide their instruction. And the model consists of 4 parts. First, we have the focus lesson. That's where the teacher teaches the content of the lesson to the students. The second part is guided instruction. This involves the teacher working with individuals and partnerships and small groups. Next, we have productive group work or collaboration. This is where the students work in small groups to talk with each other, and they're learning from each other as they're working with the content of the lesson. And then finally, the fourth part is independent learning. This is where students have a chance to work on their own, so the teacher can get an idea of what students can do on their own independently. The most amazing thing for me to see when I walk into a classroom is students, like maybe 8 years old, sitting there by themselves without the teachers overseeing them, and they're looking at a text and they're having a legitimate academic deep conversation.
That did happen, and that makes a bit more sense than the first one, so we'll squiggle that one.
Yeah.
I think it has a huge impact because they're using those talking stems like I agree with you because, or I disagree with you because, I would like to add on. It gives them something to grab onto before they share their thinking. And we start out at the beginning of the year just having super fun questions like, if you won $1 million, what would you do with it and why? And so they're used to answering it using those accountable talk statements, so then they can add that on into their academic language, and you can really see them blossoming through the year.
It helps us so we can understand what people are thinking, and so since we know what they're thinking, we can agree with that thinking or disagree with the thinking.
It helps you know other people's ideas most of the time, because you need to know other people's ideas. It can't always be your point of view in your life. You have to think what other people think too.
If they're able to start having legitimately good academic conversations when they're 8 years old, imagine what they're going to be able to do when they're 15 years old and when they're 20 years old. It's very exciting to know what's in store for them because of the work our teachers are doing here in Kentwood.